Let me hold your hands and tell you this that every book that I mention in this video will fuck your brains forever. Hi, I'm the slowest reader on a mission to glamorize books and bookstores so much so that reading becomes the new cool. And in this video, I am going to share the best of the best 5-star, actually 6-star thriller book recommendations that will make you go like this. Now, before starting this video, let me tell you that I am a through and through thriller Kanya. I love reading thriller books so much so that now it gets very difficult for me to be impressed by a thriller book. So, when I say that these thriller books are the best of the best, you better take me seriously. All the books that I mentioned in this video are my all-time favorite thriller books. I'm obsessed with each one of them. I still think about each one of them, and the twistedness of all these books will make your jaw drop on the floor. अच्छा, एक छोटा सा डिस्क्लेमर, प्लीज भगवान के लिए थ्रिलर बुक्स के ब्लर्ब्स मत पढ़ो. It gives so much information about the book and we don't want that. So all the books that I mentioned today, I will just give you a one-liner plot so that you have an idea about the topic, and trust me, that's all you need to know. इससे ज़्यादा जानना ही नहीं है आपको. So grab a coffee and let's start yapping. The first book on our list is Rock Paper Scissors by Alice Feeney. Okay, so this book holds a very special value in my heart, in my life, in my soul, because this is the book that made me fall in love with reading books. देखो, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि एक वो बुक होती है जिससे आप अपनी रीडिंग जर्नी स्टार्ट करते हो, और एक वो बुक होती है जो कि आपको रीडर बनाती है. And this is the book that made me a reader, and that's the greatest compliment I can ever give to a book. I have read many thriller books and hands down this book has the best plot twist ever. भाई, इस बुक ने जो मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव बदला है about what a thriller book can become is insane. And oh my god, the writing! Trust me, as soon as I finished reading this book, I was head over heels for the author Alice Feeney. The writing was absolutely brilliant. Thriller books को लेके जो मेरे दिमाग में एक पहले से स्टैंडर्ड सेट था, वो यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँच गया just because of this book, just because of this author. In fact, this book raised the bar so high that after finishing this, I wasn't able to enjoy any other thriller book for a very long time. Coming to the one-liner plot of this book. तो अपने ट्रबल्ड मैरिज को सेव करने के लिए अ मैरिड कपल गोज फॉर अ वीकेंड गेट अवे टू एन आइसोलेटेड प्लेस. जब वो उस लोकेशन पे पहुंचते हैं, विच इज एन अबैंडन्ड चैपल, mysterious things starts to happen, and that's all you need to know. The character, the story, the writing, the setting, everything about this book was bang on 10 on 10. I mean, if I could recommend only one book to every human being, one thriller book to every human being, it will definitely be this. This is hands down the gold standard of a thriller book. The second book on our list is The Only One Left by Riley Sager. Okay, so here's the thing. I not only read many thriller books, I also watch many videos of people talking about thriller books. And every person who likes reading thrillers has given this one 5-star or 6-star minimum. I mean, this is one of those books जो कि ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है कि किसी को पसंद ना आए. This is a top tier reading experience for every thriller lover. You know, usually thriller book का best part उसका plot twist होता है, but इस book का best part was not the twist, but the number of twists. भाई साहब, इस book में इतने सारे twists थे that at one point I was like, भाई बस करो, I can't take it more. भाई, every twist in the book shocked the hell out of me. I mean, oh my god. Trust me, it is so rare to find a thriller book like this जिसमें इतने सारे ट्विस्ट, इतने सारे अच्छे ट्विस्ट भरे हो. So this book does take its sweet time in building the story, setting the mahal. So you may have to be a little patient with this book, but once you fasten the seat belt, this book is going to give you the best thrilling experience ever. वन लाइनर प्लॉट इस बुक का ये है कि एक यंग केयर गिवर को हायर किया गया है टू टेक केयर ऑफ एन एल्डरली पैरालाइज्ड वुमन. Now, this woman has been accused of some serious shit in the past and she hasn't spoken since. But as soon as this new caregiver arrives, things change. Not for good. And that's all you need to know. Oh, by the way, this book has one of the best atmospheric settings. मतलब ये कहानी जिस घर में हो रही है, that घर is built on a cliff और नीचे ocean है, जैसा कि इस कवर में दिखाया गया है. And day by day, this house is getting slightly tilted. Exactly. Trust me, this gothic setting makes everything in the book so much more creepy and intense. So, character wise, story wise, setting wise, plot wise, twist wise, everything wise, this book is a top tier reading experience. The third book on our list is Last Word by Taylor Adams. The number of times I have stopped breathing while reading this book is infinite. My heart rate never came down until I finished this book. तो जो पहले की दो बुक मैंने अभी आपको recommend करी, they were mostly plot driven. But this book is full to action. I was on the edge of my seat the entire time. भाई साहब, इस बुक ने मुझे नॉर्मल स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में आने का मौका ही नहीं दिया. जैसे ही मैं थोड़ा रिलैक्स करती थी, सोचती थी कि हाँ चलो अब मुझे समझ आ रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है, थोड़ा सेटल डाउन हो रहा है, बूम, द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, द नेक्स्ट पेज इटसेल्फ वुड डू समथिंग दैट विल जस्ट मेक माय जॉ ड्रॉप. भाई इतना किसी इंसान ने मेरे दिल के साथ नहीं खेला है जितना ये किताब खेल गई है इन द बेस्ट पॉसिबल मैनर. इफ यू लाइक मूवीज सच एज अंधाधुन, जहां पे यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली लाइक कि आगे क्या होगा, आगे क्या होगा, आगे क्या होगा, बेसिकली मेन कैरेक्टर के साथ साथ आपकी भी फटी पड़ी है, यू आर स्कैर्ड, यू आर क्लूलेस, यू आर सो हुक्ड, then trust me you are going to eat this book up. और एक चीज जो मुझे इस बुक की बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आई was its female main character. तो भाई मुझे ना डम फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आते किसी भी बुक में, और थ्रिलर बुक्स में इट इज वेरी कॉमन टू सी मेन कैरेक्टर्स टेकिंग स्टूपिड डिसीजंस. और जब इस वजह से किसी बुक को थ्रिलिंग बनाने की कोशिश की जाती है तो वो मुझे बड़ा टर्न ऑफ करता है. But this book ditched that. The main female character in this book was smart, intelligent and a total badass. मतलब ऐसे दिल हाथ में आ जाए वाले सिचुएशन में बंदी इतने क्लेवर डिसीजन ले रही थी, मेरा तो यू गो गर्ल ही निकल गया. So refreshing to read such a well written strong female character. इसके अलावा इस बुक की राइटिंग भी भाई बहुत अच्छी है, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा. मुझे तो इसकी राइटिंग इतनी ज्यादा इंप्रेसिव लगी दैट आफ्टर फिनिशिंग दिस बुक आई वाज लाइक इस ऑथर ने जो भी लिखा है मुझे पढ़ना है. ऑल्दो इस ऑथर की बुक बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है, बट द हार्ट वांट्स व्हाट इट वांट्स. नाउ कमिंग टू द प्लॉट, तो इस बुक का वन लाइनर प्लॉट भी मैं आपको नहीं बताऊंगी. इंस्टेड आई विल जस्ट रीड 2 लाइन्स फ्रॉम द ब्लर्ब and trust me you will instantly add this book to your TBR after hearing that. So the blurb says, if you give this book a 1-star review, you might end up dead. And that's all you need to know. The fourth book on our list is a very popular book, Verity by Colin Hoover. Bhai Sahab, this is the most disturbingly delicious book I have ever read. Oh my god, this book was so ugly, so dark, so traumatizing, and yet I couldn't put this book down even for a second. Bhai, I am convinced कि Colin Hoover ने इस book में कोई तो hypnotism किया है, because how is it possible that even though this book made me feel so disgusted, so angry, yet I wanted to read this book more and more and more. Trust me, at one point this book got so triggering that I just wanted to throw this book away, and yet I was reading this book every single day till 2 a.m. And no, it's not just me, okay? I recommended this book to one of my friends and she also had the exact same effect. And the only reason why everyone is so obsessed with this book is its disgustingly addictive characters, especially Verity. भाई मैंने लास्ट ईयर दिसंबर में ये बुक पढ़ी थी, अभी ऑलमोस्ट 6 महीने होने वाले हैं, एंड दिस बुक स्टिल हॉन्ट्स मी. अभी भी ये वीडियो बनाते वक्त मैं जब इस बुक के बारे में सोच रही हूँ, वेरिटी के बारे में सोच रही हूँ, आई एम लिटरली गेटिंग चिल्स. आई एम नॉट किडिंग. Trust me, all the characters in this book are going to fuck your brains beyond repair. Also, please note that this book has a bonus chapter which is actually the most important chapter. The number one reason why people go crazy for this book lies in the bonus chapter. But problem ये है कि Verity के इस edition में bonus chapter नहीं है. It is only available in the special edition. So if you do not have special edition, you will have to read online. But the point is, you have to read the bonus chapter. तो इस बुक का वन लाइनर प्लॉट बेसिकली ये है कि एक स्ट्रगलिंग ऑथर को हायर किया जाता है एक फेमस ऑथर की बेस्ट सेलिंग सीरीज को पूरा करने के लिए, बिकॉज वो फेमस ऑथर इज अनवेल एंड कैन नॉट राइट. व्हेन दिस स्ट्रगलिंग ऑथर गेट्स ऑनटू दिस न्यू प्रोजेक्ट, she discovers things she's not supposed to see. And that's all you need to know. This book has jaw-dropping plot twist, incredible story, great writing, but the star of the show is 100% Verity. All I can say is it's not a horror book and yet you will be haunted. And the final book on our list is My Husband's Wife by Alice Feeney. Of course, there has to be two books by my favorite author because Alice Feeney is the queen of thrillers. तो ये book ना भाई जनवरी में रिलीज हुई है इसी साल and every person who has read this book has given it straight 6 star without thinking, without any effort. Because every chapter in this book ends with a plot twist. Not just a cliffhanger, but plot twist. भाई मेरा तो माथा ही घूम गया था. मतलब मुझे यहाँ थ्रिलर बुक्स में एक ढंग का प्लॉट ट्विस्ट नहीं मिलता है. एंड दिस बुक मेड माई जॉ ड्रॉप in every single chapter. Hey, the concept and the plot of this book is so interesting that you will be hooked from page 1 till the end without getting bored. And you know what's the most fascinating things about Alice Feeney books? Even though she writes thrillers, yet her books have the most powerful life quotes. For example, one of the lines from this book says, "Home is not where the heart is. Sometimes home is where the hurt lives." Wow, I mean, wow. And that's the beauty of Alice Feeney books. Her plots play with your mind, but her words stay with your heart. वन लाइनर प्लॉट इस बुक का ये है कि देयर इज दिस वुमन एडन फॉक्स जो कि एक आइसोलेटेड घर में अपने हस्बैंड के साथ रहती है और वो रोज सुबह जॉगिंग पे जाती है सिर्फ घर की चाबी लेके. एक दिन जब वो जॉगिंग करके घर वापस आती है एंड शी ट्राइज टू ओपन द डोर, द की डजंट वर्क, द डोर इज स्टक. थोड़ी देर बाद दरवाजा खुलता है एंड शी सीज अ वुमन स्टैंडिंग एट हर डोर who looks exactly like her. She gets confused and she asks, "Who are you?" The woman says, "I am Aiden Fox." Who are you? And that's all you need to know. Also, this book has super short chapters. It is fast paced. The characters are amazing and plot twists. Well, you will be tired of counting. I am pretty sure that this book is going to be the best thriller book of 2026. And that's the video, guys. Shit. And that's the video, guys. I hope you will add some of these books onto your TBR. If you have already read some of these books, please yab about your experience in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Please note that all these books are not beginner friendly. Agar aapko beginner friendly thriller book recommendation chahiye, then you can check out this video. The link will be in the description. If you enjoyed the content, consider subscribing and supporting this book Kanya, and I will see you in the next video.